Are you tired of feeling stuck in your guitar playing journey? Do you dream of strumming like a pro, effortlessly creating beautiful melodies and captivating audiences with your skills? If so, you're not alone. Many aspiring guitarists face challenges along the way that hinder their progress and leave them feeling frustrated. But fear not. In this article, we will share 10 game-changing tips that will fast-track your guitar skills and help you become the guitarist you've always wanted to be. Master proper hand placement. One of the most crucial aspects of becoming a proficient guitarist is mastering proper hand placement. Ensure that your fretting hand is positioned correctly on the neck, allowing for optimal finger reach and control. Additionally, focus on maintaining a relaxed yet firm grip with your picking hand to enhance speed and accuracy. Practice consistently. Consistency is key when it comes to improving any skill, including playing the guitar. Set aside dedicated practice time each day or week and stick to it religiously. Even just 15 minutes of focused practice every day can yield significant results over time. Learn basic music theory. Understanding music theory provides a solid foundation for any musician's growth. Familiarize yourself with essential concepts such as scales, chords, and rhythm patterns. This knowledge will empower you to navigate through songs more efficiently and even create your own music eventually. Experiment with different strumming patterns. Strumming patterns add depth and variety to your playing style but can be challenging for beginners to grasp initially. Start by learning basic patterns such as down up, also known as the 4 on the floor, before progressing onto more complex rhythms like syncopation or fingerstyle techniques. Take advantage of online resources. The internet offers an abundance of resources for aspiring musicians seeking guidance in their guitar journey. From video tutorials to interactive chord charts, take advantage of online platforms like YouTube and music websites to learn new techniques and expand your repertoire. Play with others. Playing with other musicians not only enhances your overall musicality but also exposes you to different playing styles and techniques. Join a band or participate in jam sessions where you can collaborate, exchange ideas, and learn from more experienced players. Invest in quality equipment. While skill development is crucial, having the right equipment can significantly impact your progress as well. Invest in a decent guitar that suits your playing style and preferences. A well-made instrument will be easier to play, produce better sound quality, and inspire you to practice more often. Record yourself. Recording yourself while practicing or performing allows for critical self-evaluation. It helps identify areas that need improvement, such as timing issues or inconsistent strumming patterns. By analyzing these recordings objectively, you can pinpoint specific areas for growth and track your progress over time. Seek professional guidance. Consider taking lessons from an experienced guitar instructor who can provide personalized guidance tailored to your skill level and goals. A professional teacher will help correct any bad habits early on while offering valuable insights into technique refinement. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is essential for maintaining motivation throughout your guitar journey. Break down larger objectives into smaller achievable milestones so that each success fuels further progress towards becoming the guitarist you aspire to be. In conclusion, by implementing these 10 game-changing tips into your practice routine consistently, you'll fast-track your guitar skills like never before. Remember the importance of proper hand placement and consistency in practice while exploring music theory concepts that enhance understanding of chords and scales. Experimenting with different strumming patterns adds variety to your playing style while utilizing online resources provides endless opportunities for learning. Playing with others expands musical horizons as investing in quality equipment elevates both sound quality and inspiration. Recording yourself and seeking professional guidance are valuable tools for self-improvement, while setting realistic goals ensures continued motivation on your guitar journey. So, what are you waiting for? Strum like a pro and watch your guitar skills soar to new heights.